Now, this is how you can silence calls from WhatsApp on your Android phone. And let's get started. And if you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Well, you can, of course, open up your settings app and proceed to notifications, where upon going to app notifications, you can see all of the installed apps. So naturally, WhatsApp should be part of the list. You can get inside like that, and you have the ability to keep the notifications allowed, but you can decide that you set all of the notifications to be silent. So if that's the thing that you want, if you still want to receive notifications and keep them silent, that's the option which you have available, right? But you also have some other things in here too. So you can see that you can as well go to the settings or bottom portions of this menu, and you can go to the in-app notification settings inside of WhatsApp. And when you click on this, it's going to move you over into the WhatsApp interface, and below you can manage some other things in here. So for instance, we have the calls below, and you can choose the ringtone and perhaps decide that you choose a silent ringtone for WhatsApp calls. And this would mean that you are still getting the calls, like the phone is still ringing, but only silently. So every single call you receive through WhatsApp will be silenced because you chose a silent ringtone. So that might be something which you are interested in as well. I was hopefully able to show you all of the possibilities and the options which we have with it. In case you have some further questions about this, then let me know below in the comments. It is possible that I'll make an updated video about it in the future, but for now, that's going to be about it. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.